Hey there, I would like to show you these beautiful real hair extensions. So I received these as a gift from the company so that I could show them to you. So they come in this really pretty pink box and you just open it up like this. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So it comes with this hair and then the clip clamp thing. And let's just take this out. They're packaged really nicely and then wrapped really well. So not only are they in the protective box, this protective bag, and they're in this netting. So I'm just gonna be really careful here while I pull this out. Really pretty color too. There are a lot of colors to choose from. There we go. Oh, look at what a pretty good match that is. Look at that. Oh man, that's nice. That is really similar to the different depth and variations of color of my hair. Look at that. And they're nice and long. And they feel nice. They're nice and soft, and you can probably tell just really shiny. Look at that. They feel like, well, they are real hair and they feel like real hair. So we've got two pieces and we'll just take a look at this one. And I just want you to see like the hair tape here. And each of these is its own. So see, there's several, and so each one is its own like strip of hair. See? So let me just undo one of these here. It's like a little twist tie thing. And it's in a little bit of a knot. There we go. So now you can see each one it's got the adhesive. And so like here's one. It obviously goes all the way across, but that's just what one of them looks like. And so then if you're used to doing this with the hair tape, then you've got a lot of pieces here to just put all over your hair. So I think the thing that I really love the most about this is that I did such a good job matching the color. Look at that. And it's just really nice and long and beautiful. And yeah, you just do it like you would just like regular hair tape. So if you're used to doing that, this is a really great one to do. Thanks. And hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.